Hi programmers. In this video, you will learn to write if-else in one line of Python code. Wish you a time of happy learning with a last-minute revisor. First, let us see the syntax we know for if-else. If space condition to be checked colon. We have one or more statements intended to be executed when the condition is true. Else colon. The intended piece of code to be executed when the condition fails. Let us see an example for checking whether the number is odd or even. If the remainder obtained on dividing number by 2 is 0, that is, if number modular division 2 equals to 0, followed by a colon, the number is even. So let me just print it. Else colon, print odd. Okay, how to write these 4 lines in a single line? The first thing to note is that this method is applicable only when you have one line of code under if and one line of code under else, as you see in this example. Now let's see how to write it. The statement under if, followed by the keyword if, followed by the condition to be checked, followed by the keyword else, followed by the statement under else. So here it is. Print of even if number modular division 2 equal to 0, else print of odd. Okay, simple, isn't it? Suppose you have a function like this. If return something and else return something. In that case, you can rewrite the code as the keyword return followed by what has to be returned when the condition is true, followed by the keyword if, followed by the condition to be checked, followed by the keyword else, followed by what has to be returned when the condition fails. So here it is, return A if B equal to 0, else GCD of B comma A modular division B. Note that after else, there is no return. Simple. That's it. To encourage and support this work, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for further updates.